In today's video, I'll teach you how to block ads on Facebook. First of all, what you have to do is launch open Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to block the ads, what you have to do is go to the ad preferences interface. For that, tap on the menu icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen, right below the message icon. Now you'll be able to access the menu. Now go to the settings. For that, tap on the gear icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be able to access the settings and privacy. What you have to do is open the account center. Tap on the account center section that you can see at top. Now you'll be able to access account center over here. You'll be able to find various options. Tap on the option ad preferences that you can see at fourth. Now you'll be able to manage the ad preferences over here. You'll directly not be able to block the ads, but you'll be able to see list of the ads. What you have to do is simply look into this section, advertisers you saw ads from. Now tap on one of the advertiser. Now you'll be able to see various options over here. Tap on this option, hide ads, that you can see on the screen. Now the advertisement from this particular advertiser will be hidden, but you may be able to see the ads from the other advertisers. So what you have to do is simply follow the same process for all the advertisers. So like this, if you hide the ads from all the advertisers that you've seen, you may be able to block all the ads. Likewise, you'll also be able to find this option for ad topics. You'll be able to see various topics over here. Tap on the option see all. Now you'll be able to see all the topics. Simply tap on the ad topics that you would not like to see. Now you'll be able to see two options, no preference, see list. Tap on this option, see list, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see list of the ads from this particular topic. Follow the same process for all the ad topics. So if you adjust these ad preferences, it will be equivalent to blocking the ads. So that is how you block ads on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.